GTA 6's price has finally been unveiled, and as some fans surprised, it's crossed the $70 mark. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. The highly anticipated new version of the video game is set to launch in November 2026, and while announcing the price, Rockstar Games also revealed that the game will feature a single-player experience at launch. Rockstar revealed that GTA 6 will cost $79.99 on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S. It's a clear $10 jump from the standard $70 edition of this generation. Furthermore, the Ultimate Edition will cost $20 more, making the price $99.99. However, Rockstar hasn't addressed the reason for the change in pricing. Plus, there are no talks about GTA Online. This pricing makes GTA 6 one of the first major video games to carry such a high price tag, with the only other $80 title currently coming from Nintendo Switch 2's title Mario Kart World. Although Microsoft also considered hiking it up to $80, the company ultimately decided against it. GTA 6 is available to pre-order since midnight June 25th. Rockstar already revealed the pre-order bonuses as well as the details of the Ultimate Edition. The digital pre-order will give fans a free month of GTA Plus. They can also start preloading a week before the official launch on November 12th to ensure that they can play the game once it's out. And for the Ultimate Edition, the website says, "Welcome to Leonida, the state where anything goes. Seize everything this massive world has to offer with the GTA 6 Ultimate Edition." There, players will get premium vehicles, weapons, apparel, and action around every corner. Ultimate Edition bonuses are threaded across Jason and Lucia's story, with new items uncovering behind each chapter. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.